Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I promised you guys that I would post more videos and stuff, and so that is what I'm doing right now. I'm in my living room right now, and I think the lighting is kind of weird because I don't know, I just have like a really quick setup, so I apologize for that in advance. This video is going to be about makeup brands that you should not purchase, and it's just a topic that I think needs to be spread out more. There's a ton of videos on YouTube, you know, people talking about this topic. Gosh, I always feel like I cannot find the words to say, and people are always like, oh, you should read more. But actually, you know what, it's not reading more that is the problem. I think it's just me being an airhead. So yeah, I apologize for that also in advance if I do forget words and stuff like that. But anyway, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'll have like a little thing in the corner somewhere with the screen so you guys can go check out my Instagram. And I have a lot of modeling pictures. I model, if you can't already tell. And yeah, so also if you guys have any other video suggestions that you guys want to see, you know, like videos that you want to see me do, definitely leave it down below in the comments. And yeah, so I'm actually getting my passport in a couple of hours. I have an appointment to get my passport because my boyfriend wants to take me on a trip somewhere, and I'm super excited about that. Plus I haven't been out of the country, so it'll be nice just to have like a passport or whatever if I want to leave the country, you know, because you know, I might get into something and have to get out of the country, because you guys know I'm a badass like that. So yeah, anyways, gosh, I curled my hair last night. I had it in curls and everything, and then now it's straight. Like, what the fuck? But I probably should have dampened my hair first before doing so. And I also didn't have any hairspray, which is actually something that I just picked up from the store. I guess I can share with you guys the few items that I picked up from the grocery store. It's like snowing a lot. Well, not like a lot, but it snowed a pretty good amount. So I don't want to drive all the way out to the store that I normally go to, so I went and walked over to the one that is just like behind my apartments, and I got a few items. So I got some hairspray, Pantene air spray, excuse me, but it has no alcohol in it, and I don't want to damage my hair any more than I have been since I did just bleach it about a month ago, so I don't want it to be even more damaged. And so yeah, I really want my hair to be curly, like in beautiful like locks, like curly locks like Marilyn Monroe style. And so I will definitely be needing a lot of hairspray. And then they have like this whole shelf thing at my, I don't even know, it's like Lamb's Marketplace, I think is the store name, and they have a whole e.l.f. Shelf, which is amazing. Like, they have like all these e.l.f. products, like even more than Target has, so I was really happy. And I picked up a couple of things. I picked up their volume mascara, volume plumping mascara in black, because I really need a good mascara. This was like $3, so I really want to try it out, and hopefully it doesn't leave like the little, you know, marks on your face. So I picked that up, and then I got some eyelashes that were like $2 or $3, I think. And these just look like the eyelashes that I really like. Not as big as the ones that I'm wearing right now, because these are actually party, like from the party, like a Halloween collection. So these are really like dramatic eyelashes that I'm wearing right now, and these ones are not as like long, but you can see that they are pretty long, and I really love the long, like really long lashes. That is just pretty much the few things that I just picked up from the store because I really needed, you know, I needed a good mascara, and I needed some hairspray and some lashes because your girl is running out of things. So anyways, okay, so makeup brands to avoid. Getting into the actual video right now. So basically, like, most of you guys, I think, shop at the drugstore. I'm sure you guys purchase like high-end makeup brands as well. I don't know who my audience is, but I don't know. I would like to think that a majority of my audience is like younger girls. I know that sounds kind of weird, but like I would rather have, like, you know, people who look up to me. I mean, I guess if they were older too, but I don't know. I'm just guessing that my audience is younger. I could totally be wrong, I don't know. Anyways, so most young girls get their makeup from the drugstore. Most of the makeup that you will find at the drugstore tests on animals, and this is like kind of a touchy subject for me because I'm not a vegan, I'm not vegetarian, even though I really want to be, because like I eat meat and everything, but I do not buy products that test on animals because it's really messed up. Like, come on, you don't have to support those brands that do that. Like, there are so many better brands out there that don't test on animals at all and offers same quality kind of makeup. Why would you support a brand that does? And honestly, I would go vegetarian. I think, like, I really should. It's really hard for me because, like, especially with my boyfriend feeding me now, oh my gosh, taking me out for Korean barbecue, so good. Like, I don't think I could honestly go vegetarian, but yeah, I don't know. I do eat fish a lot. Like, if I were a vegetarian, I would only stick to fish. I know that doesn't make you a vegetarian, but I don't know. I just have an issue with all the hormones and stuff, and I'm sure there are hormones in a lot of fish too, but I just don't like the idea of having added hormones from other animals into my system, because I feel like it will, like, make me even more of, like, a crazy and just angry person or something, like, if that makes sense. I mean, a lot of people do have a temper, like, all of us do have a temper. We're not all perfect people, but if you're eating stuff that, like, makes it worse for you, you know, like, it's just something that I would not want to ingest. Fast food, oh, that is just out. Like, I cannot, I really, like, I have a problem with buying fast food and everything because it's so, you know, fast, but oof, there's so many bad things in there that's just terrible for you. So you can find a full list of all of the makeup brands that test on animals on PETA's website, and just Google, you know, makeup brands that test on animals, and you can see all the brands that do test on animals. You can also look up all the brands that do not test on animals, and Wet n Wild, for example, is my favorite makeup brand, and they're so cheap too, and I just love it because of the name, I think. But they don't test on animals. They're big on being cruelty-free, and I just love them so much. So that is just, like, kind of my go-to when I'm at the drugstore and picking up, like, some simple makeup items. I will go to Wet n Wild. But these are the brands that do test on animals. So Avon, Benefit, Clinique, Estee Lauder, Tarte, Makeup Forever, Maybelline, OPI, Victoria's Secret. Wow, I didn't even think about Victoria's Secret. So there's a short list of some of the makeup brands that do test on animals. Did I mention CoverGirl in there? Because, like, CoverGirl is a big one that also does test on animals. But anyways, most of the ones that you see at the drugstore, like Revlon, CoverGirl, like, all those ones test. Physicians Formula does not test on animals, and I actually just got their mascara I wasn't too like thrilled with the mascara, but you know, I'm happy that they don't test on animals. So I just want to make this video because I see so many girls using like brands that test on animals, and it's like, what year are we living in? Like really, like it really just, it breaks my heart. And these are like, this is like torturing animals. Like I don't know if like you guys understand that or what, but they're actually like torturing innocent animals. And same with like all the food and stuff that we eat, like all those places, like they're totally like torturing the animals too, and it's so hard. Like I don't know, I'm like, I love meat though, like I just, it's terrible. Like I know this video is probably super confusing for some people, but I just personally do not buy products that test on animals. I don't even wear faux fur, like that's how serious I am about it, but I just love eating meat. Like it's a problem. I don't know. Like I have 6 siblings, 3 brothers and 3 sisters, and I think like all the girls, maybe some guys too, went vegetarian and they're back to eating meat now. So I don't know, but eating meat in general isn't like the best for you. Like really, you should only have like, I think they say like a fist or something, or like, I can't remember. Like I don't think it's a full fist, but I don't know. But yeah, you're only supposed to have like that much meat daily. My baby, oh, he is so adorable, rubbing his face up against me. Okay, but yeah, so anyways, so yeah, it's an issue that I'm dealing with, and I just wanted to spread the word, you know, spread the love, and just get the word out, really. Like I feel like it's a topic that should be talked about more, and just, yeah. Valentine's Day is coming up. I'm super excited. I have like heart earrings on. I don't know if you guys can tell. Hey, Norman. That's my dwarf kitty crying out because my other cat was trying to harm her. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end this video. I pretty much said all that I wanted to say, and I thank you guys so much for watching, who do watch my videos and follow me on my Instagram and stuff like that. Definitely don't be afraid to reach out. I love collaborating with people and just getting to know, you know, everybody and stuff like that. And so yeah, I guess that's how I'm gonna end it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.